Today we're presenting the 2019 Puma 31 RKSS rear kitchen with a super slide. This has the power jack, two 30-pound propane tanks, diamond plate to protect the front of the trailer while traveling, power stabilizers, storage across the front. There's the storage open up. It's pass-through, accessible from both sides. Power awning, the LED strip under the awning. This has got the new aluminum solid steps. Outdoor speakers. And a barbecue sits on that rack which swings out and would swing into this area. And then a nice big carriage rack or luggage rack available for bicycles, coolers, and storage items. The trailer is also pre-wired for a backup camera, and as you can see has a roof ladder. So this is the rear kitchen floor plan. As we can begin here, we've got a very comfortable sofa that is a tri-fold, makes into a queen size bed. And then our entertainment area, a large television, sound bar, creating simulated surround sound, and a fireplace. To the left of that is a pantry, nice large pantry. There's the pantry opened up. You can see lots of storage. To the left of that is the fridge-freezer combination. And then the kitchen area, which is the 3-burner stove, microwave, hood fan, and again lots of storage above and below. And then against the rear is another counter with your sink, and again lots of storage up above, down below, and to the left here as well. And these storage areas are very, very large, lots of capacity, nice and deep and wide. And to the left of that then is the table and chairs. The storage underneath the chairs as is usual. And then here we have the two recliners that sit opposite the television. Now a nice feature of the rear kitchen configuration is the social setting, where you've got people sitting over here on the couch and opposite that on the sofa, as opposed to everyone sitting in a line. And of course additionally you could have people sitting at the dining room table as well, and the person working in the kitchen would be able to participate in the conversation as well. The bathroom is a large enclosed shower, sink, vanity, medicine cabinet, foot flush toilet, and again additional storage here that again provides lots of capacity. The bedroom is a queen size bed with access on both sides of the bed. Again, lots of storage on the sides, over and above, under the bed, and power sources on both sides of the bed, as well as a charging station. And the ability to bring your TV or another TV into the bedroom if you wish to do that. This is a spacious couples trailer with the ability to accommodate a couple of guests on occasion if that was desirable, but featuring a tremendous amount of space with opposing slides, and that's what creates all the room in here and allows you to have this nice island kitchen. So you've got a tremendous amount of counter space between counters at the back, to the right at the kitchen area, and with the island. So a number of features that we think you would find very attractive. We invite you to come and see this in person on our lot here in Mono. Thank you for watching this video.